From parent drop-off to getting to class, elementary mornings can be hectic. Here at Cape Elementary, they have an extra set of hands always willing to help out fellow parents and their students.
He comes in every morning and the kids really miss him if he's not here. They ask, where is he, where is he? He just is such a great part of our morning.
Mr. Gregg Skiff saw and recognized the issue with the morning parent drop-off line firsthand.
When I brought my daughter first day for kindergarten, you have to stay in the driver's seat, and then she tried to open the door up, she couldn't open the door up, and then there was nobody between the intermission between when safety patrol came out. So I had to go park, pick her out of the car.
This experience inspired Mr. Gregg Skiff to make a change, so he decided to volunteer and help out in any way possible. He organized a new system, including having the school safety patrol kids open doors for morning drop-off.
I wish there was more parents that were able to have the opportunity to do what I do. I think they really miss out by not helping their kids as they go through elementary school.
Mr. Skiff sees being involved in his students' school life as an important aspect of being a parent, which inspired him to also start volunteering in the classrooms here at Cape Coral Elementary School, where he helps with breakfast and morning assignments.
The kids just really love having him come in and work with them and help them, and he's just like, he helps with the breakfast, he helps put Band-Aids on, he helps do everything that a dad would do, but it's in a classroom setting, and he is just a wonderful asset to my morning and to the school.
Although Mr. Skiff is a parent, he is also a friend, one who offers guidance and support to the students of Cape Coral Elementary School.
I think it gives them somebody to talk to. It's not a direct parent, but they kind of look at us more like a friend. Sometimes a lot of them come to talk, they just want a hug or something, or help them with the work.
Mr. Skiff has shown that he is a positive role model to everyone at the school.
It makes it really nice to be able to contribute something back to them and help them out in the classrooms. And I know it helps the teachers. So that gives them kind of some opportunity they can get caught up on their work also.
Now Mr. Skiff is opening the door to new opportunities. This is Zoe Yingling, LeeSchools TV.